Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need admin access and a restore point. Once created, you'll work directly in the registry. First, verify your GPU drivers are up to date so changes behave predictably. Now open Regedit by pressing Windows key plus R, type Regedit, and press Enter. Make sure to navigate to H-key local machine /system /current control, set /control /graphics drivers. This is where you'll add the value to disable hardware scheduling. Take care, incorrect edits can affect stability, so proceed step by step. Once at the graphics drivers key, right-click, choose New, then DWORD 32-bit value, and name it HWMode. This key controls hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Double-click the new HWMode entry and set the value data to 0 that explicitly disables the feature. Make sure you choose either decimal or hex correctly. 0 is 0 in both. After setting it, close Registry Editor, save any open files, and prepare to reboot so Windows applies the change to the graphics subsystem. Restart your PC to apply the registry edit and reset GPU scheduling. Once Windows boots, check Task Manager, Performance tab, GPU. It should report hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling as off. Alternatively, run dxdiag to confirm. If you encounter crashes, stuttering, or instability, undo by deleting the HWMode entry or restore your registry backup and then roll back the GPU driver. Make sure to test with one application at a time. If needed, reinstall the latest stable GPU driver before trying changes again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.